Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can very easily see your Instagram engagement. So first of all, what you need to do, obviously go on Instagram, then go on your profile and copy your link. Then what you need to do is go here and search Instagram engagement. Then go on. Then what you need to do is paste here your link and remove this last line, and then just click the search icon here. As you can see, my engagement rate is 4.33%, and here is everything you need to know. Here is my follower number, and I don't know, maybe you need this for your brand, for your profile, I don't know, but it's very helpful. So that was all for today's video, guys. I hope I helped. See you in the next one. Goodbye.